professional life. On October 1, 1892, he was enrolled at the local school. After his grandfather's death, he changed his school. As he did not like school, he avoided going to school. At the age of 10 years, in November 1897, at Kandyan Primary School, he passed his primary examinations in Tamil, English, Geography and Arithmetic, and he topped in the district. Srinivas Ramanju's education started in Town Higher Secondary School at a very young age. During Srinivas Ramanju's education, Srinivas Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule. Though he had almost no formal training in mathematics, he made substantial contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinity series, continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems that consider unsolvable. Now I will tell you a story. This is a story about one of India's great mathematical genius, S. Ramanujan. Once another famous mathematician, Professor G.H. Hardy, came to visit Ramanujan in a taxi, number 1729. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy describes this number a dull number. Ramanujan quickly pointed out that 1729 was indeed interesting. He said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of two cubes in two different ways. One way is 1729, which is equal to 1728 plus 1 equal to 12q plus 1q. And the another way is 1000. And I'm here to present a short poem on mathematics. Mathematics is full of fun and it has so much to learn. Mathematics gives you stress, but only when you practice less. Mathematics not only teaches us addition and subtraction, it also gives hope that every problem has the solution. When we get, we add, and when we lose, we subtract. Mathematics in our life, it makes simple in all aspects, and it is necessary in our life. Without it, it is difficult to survive. Thank you and have a nice day. Scholar mentioned that using Vedic math trick, one can do calculation 10 to 15 times faster than our usual method. So here are 16 Sidras. First, Ekadikena Purvaina. It means by one more than the previous one. This formula is useful in finding the product of numbers. Second, Nikhilam Navataha Charamama Dasataha. It means all from 9 and last from 10. This sudra is used for subtraction of numbers. Third, Urdhvam Tiryabhyama. It means vertically and crosswise. This is used for multiplication. 96 plus 80 plus 44 52 plus 70 342. Okay, last question. 28 minus 23 70 minus 35 plus 90. The answer is 130. Now, last and best, she will tell the multiplication table of 45. 45, 1 by 45.
45 to the 90, 45 to the 185, 45 to the 230, 45 for the 275, 45 for the 320, 45 to the 365, 45 7 the 410, 45 is the 455, 45 9 the 500, 45 10 the 500,
First step is we should write the square of 5, that is 25. Then the remaining number should be multiplied by its next number. Means 6 should be multiplied by 7, that is 42. 65 square is 4225. Now, similarly we can do for 3-digit number, that is 415. First step we should write the square of 5, that is 25. Then the remaining number should be multiplied by its next number. 41 should be multiplied by 42. One lakh 72,225 square of 415. To find out square of 23, first what we have to do is the number which is at unit place, we have to square it. So here in this case I have 3. So 3 square will be 9. One thing what we have to keep in our mind is whenever after squaring using this trick when we are solving the question, if we get a square as one digit number, like 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1 itself. So whenever we are getting one digit number, we have to put 0 before it. So here 9 is one digit number, so I am putting 0 before it. And then we have to square the number which is at 10th place. So here I have to, so 2 square is 4 and then we have to multiply the given number. Here I am given with 23, so 2 into 3 is 6. And whatever product we will get, we have to multiply it with 2. So 6 into 2 is 12. So after this step, the number which is at unit place, right side, so we have to keep it as it is, 9. And then the rest of numbers, we have to add it with next number. 0 plus 2 is 2 itself. 1 plus 4 is 5. So the square of 23 is 529. Let us
write from 9 to 0 in descending order. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here the number is 1. What will be the next number? So here we'll add 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2? 7 plus 2? Similarly, 11, 30, 50, 70, 90. This was the table of 90. So easy to write, right? Now, we'll look at the table 29. Here, same trick, same method will apply here as well. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here the number is 2. The next number will be 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Therefore 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Similarly 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 27, 26, sorry, 29.
Today I am here with 2-digit multiplication trick. So let us take 2-digit number like so first we have to multiply 5 into 4. So that is 5 4s are 20. And now we have to cross multiply like 7 into 4 and 5 into 2. 7 4s are 28. And 5 2s are 10. So that will be 38. We have to add the 2 with this product. That will be 40. So we have to write 4 in carry. And now we have to write 2 7 into 4. 7 into 2, that will be 14. 14 plus 4 will be 18. So the answer of this will be 1800. Now I will...
reality. But actually mathematics is not all about numbers, equations. But its real relation you have with mathematics and the way you apply it in reality is real mathematics. Mathematics might come up as a difficult subject, but it conveys very important and easy message. One of those are every problem has a solution. Wishing you all a great good morning and National Mathematics Day.